Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on replacing the printhead if hang-jotting. Firstly, we need to make the printhead waterproof. Requires the use of printhead, flat cable, scissors and insulating tape. Open the printhead and pay attention to protecting the mirror surface of the printhead. Do not damage the inkjet channel of the nozzle. Insert the flat cable into the printhead socket. Keep the sockets and cables dry and free of water. Insert the cables to the bottom. Tightly fit them, and do not tilt them. Use tape to make waterproof. Insulating tape to make a waterproof layer. The tape should be tightly attached to the nozzle. Ensure waterproof effect.
Remove excess tape with a scissor.
The other side is also the same. After the waterproof protection is completed, install the nozzle in the corresponding position. The QR code on the nozzle is facing us. After the nozzle is installed, insert the other end of the flat cable onto the headboard. The cable must not have any water and must be vertically aligned and inserted into the card slot. After the installation of the nozzle is completed, the connection status of the nozzle must be checked first. The printhead shows that it is connected, indicating that the printhead is successful. If you are unsure if the nozzle has been successfully installed, please contact us promptly to confirm. Do not operate on your own. Only then can we perform nozzle actions such as flash spraying, cleaning, or printing.